what you have gone through today is the dream come true of this beautiful two people.
I want to thank everyone from bottom of my heart. This is a dream come true for all of us, for all of our family. We're so blessed to have these beautiful children. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I really want to thank you, Anuj, for bringing my dream come true.
Anuj, as I reflect on our relationship and our story as siblings, it's such a blessing that I can be on this journey with you.
They say sisters are friends by default, but that doesn't mean you have to be best friends. Shruti, however, has been my partner in life since I was 2 years old. And she's been the best person to have by my side for the past 26 years of my life.
Anuj and Shruti wanted everybody here in Cancun because all of you matter to them, and they wanted everyone celebrating as one big family.
Dream wedding really would not have come true without our parents. We really could not have put this together without your support, your love, and we thank you for everything that you've done for us.
If you know Shruti, you know she's one of a kind. She loves fiercely, laughs genuinely, listens closely, and understands you deeply. I hope you're reminded every day how much of a blessing you are, especially how much you're a blessing to me, because I've felt very lost in life and in my own head. However, you've always made me feel like I was home.
Anuj brings a life to the party. He is the little brother of our group. And like a little brother, you know that he is always there for you with his big heart, infectious energy, and dependable soul.
As a mom, sometimes I wish time stood by and I could cuddle her forever. Shruti, I'm very proud and happy for all your accomplishments, including choosing your life partner.
I want to thank my 4 children who made this event possible, working day and night. All of these events were beautiful, even a surprise to us. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
I want you to take a look around this room and notice how many people made the trek to Cancun. It wasn't because United Airlines was having a sale. I checked. But it's because you all both love your friends and family so much that you are both also loved by your friends and family.
One of my biggest accomplishments is introducing Shruti Bhabhi to Musicbed. Look at this beautiful couple!
I have one toast I would like to make to a specific group of individuals, and that is each and every one of you. We are in Cancun, Mexico with 2 235 people in this room here for us. I love each and every one of you on behalf of Shruti and I.